In this video, we are going to see about conditional statements in C. Conditional statements helps us to make decision based on certain conditions. These conditions are specified by a set of conditional statements having Boolean expressions which are evaluated to a Boolean value true or false. There are following types of conditional statements in C like simple if else, nested if, and else if ladder. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss only about simple if statements. If the condition is true, the statements will be executed from the if block. And if the condition is false, then the control will be terminated. If it is required to include more than one statement, then a compound statement or multi-line statements is used in place of single statement. The slide shows the syntax of simple statement using single line and multi-line. The single line statement syntax tells if of expression followed by a statement, whereas the multi-line statement or compound statement is used to print multiple statements if the condition is true. This slide shows the flowchart of simple if statement. If the test expression is true, then the statements within the block are executed and then it moves on to the next statement. If the test expression fails, that is false, then it does not execute the statements within the block, whereas it just directly jumps on to the next statement without executing the statements inside the if block. The slide has two examples. Example 1 shows the single line statement example. Example 2 explains multi-line statements. In the single line statement example 1, we have an if condition to check whether the age entered is greater than or equal to 18. If the age entered is greater than or equal to 18, then the condition is true. When the condition is true, the followed printf statement is printed. If the condition is not true, then the printf statement is not printed, rather the program is terminated. In the second example, the example for or to check whether the number entered is an even number as well as whether the number entered is a greater than 10 or not. Here, the if condition asks to check the number entered whether yields a remainder 0 and the number entered whether it is greater than 10 or not. If both the conditions are true, then both the printf statements are printed in the output screen. That is, the number entered is even number as well as the number entered is greater than 10. These two examples, let us go and check or see using our easy to learn editor. The screen shows the runtime environment at easy to learn. The program here is to check whether a citizen is eligible for voting using a simple if statement. Here, the simple if statement contains age greater than or equal to 18. If this particular statement is true, then the output would be printing eligible for voting. Let's see with an example. When user enters age is equal to 25, the test expression, that is, age greater than or equal to 18 becomes true. Hence, eligible for voting is displayed on the screen. Now let's execute or run the code to check whether the output is printed. So executing this program prints the output as eligible for voting. Why? Because the if statement or if condition, that is age greater than or equal to 18, is true here. Let's check with another example by entering age is equal to 15. Let's execute the code here. So here we couldn't see any output. Why? Because the test expression becomes false and the statements inside the body of if is skipped from execution. So that concludes the if statement video. Why to choose easy to learn? What easy to learn provides us with? It provides lots of information related to topics along with video tutorials, code practice, mind maps, quiz, animations, and lot more. For more details, visit our website at www.easytolearn.co. Like our Facebook page at /easytolearn.co. Kindly subscribe and share our YouTube videos at /easytolearn.co. Thank you.